Jones! I'm going to hack into your Wi-Fi, Miss Jones.
Miss Jones, what?
I'm hacking your Wi-Fi.
Who?
Miss Jones.
Miss Jones, my STEM
Where's the
teacher.
Fidget at?
My
That's
Miss Jones is my STEM teacher.
I'm gonna play music. Pretty girl, you can't even fly.
It's slow.
It's so slow in camera, but so fast in real life. Yeah, it's going so slow for them.
Yeah, I can catch my camera.
Oh, that one's not going slow. Hey, show them you can bounce it on your nose.
How much?
Yeah, do it.
Like we always pick on each other. I try to knock his phone out of his hands, and we try to each other.
Dude, amazing. Can I try?
Pretty sure you can. So,
Alright.
John Cena!
Make sure you give shout out to that kid right there. Watch out, camera.
And go shout
That
to his
kid.
dad's YouTube
Shout
channel.
out to Jack. We could never. Hey, do you have a YouTube channel?
Your dad's.
I always wanted to do that. Stop.
If he ever does get a YouTube channel, I'll tell you guys what his name is, because we could never make this video.
Okay, vlog me,
If it
Can
wasn't
vlog
for
me.
Jack.
Vlog the
Bye.
fidget. Vlog the fidget. Can vlog this fidget.
Got the chick on bounce back.
Catch the chick, I bounce back.
Bro!
This whole video possible. Look, there's a guy back.
Yo, you can't even fly. Guys, look. It's going fast.
It looks fast in real life.
It is fast in real life. And give me it.
I'm gonna play with it for a
Give
minute.
me the freaking.
I'm gonna play with it. Jack, can I play it?
Yeah.
I want to kill you.
Kill me. Kill me.
Poop on him.
You're a poop head. Your mom is.
You poop face.
No offense, Cameron Mom.
Butt face. Butt brain. Butt brain.
I'll hack into your YouTube channel
I will
and
fart.
delete all the videos.
You can't. Can't delete videos.
Yeah, you can.
If you delete my first video, I'll make another first video.
Yeah, I'll delete all those.
I'll just make it all of them again.
Then I'll just keep deleting them and get your feet
I'll
out of my stinking face.
I'll delete all your videos.
If you can know how to hack.
If you don't know how to shut up.
Thanks, please. Hey, Jack, is that if I bring this in real fast? I'm just going to put my phone on my TV stand.
Gangs or nothing.
I'm just bringing it right back out. Okay, thanks. John Cena.
I gave you.
Can't even fly.
So he wouldn't care as long as I gave you something else.
Wait, try to do it slow and see if it'll go fast. Do it slow and see if it'll go fast, okay? Do it slow. It's going so fast! It's going...
Hey,
I'm gonna make another video, but Evan has to be in there.
hey, is this my fidget spinner? Hey, Jack, is this my fidget spinner?
Yeah.
Is this my fidget spinner?
Mhm.
Is this my
Yeah,
fidget spinner?
yeah.
It's fun. You can't even fly.
You can't even touch it. Only his friends can touch it and people who he knows.
Touch it, touch it. Touch it. You can't even fly.
Look at that Brooklyn hat. Look at that bro hat. Bro hat.
Ow, that's where
You don't want to
Jack's
do
mom grew up at.
work at school. School's not cool.
Selfie with
You don't want to do work at school. School's not cool. Cool.
Is that your new YouTube channel, Brian? Hey, make a new picture for your YouTube
Psych, I'm taking a video, not a picture.
Oh!
Okay, how do you make
Focus.
a new,
This is the nicest
Focus.
kid in the world right here.
Alright, Caden, take
John
a
Cena
selfie.
is.
Caden, take a selfie for your new YouTube, on your YouTube channel.
I already did.
Make another one.
This is the first shirt.
Bye!